Hi, hello, Vanakkam, and welcome back to yet another episode on your favorite Little's Law YouTube channel. And in fact, I'm creating this video for those people who have asked me that why should I delete the branch? I'm creating a branch. So why do we normally create a branch? To make any feature, to make any updates to the application, to fix something. So we keep on creating branches and then we merge it to main. So what happens is if you do not delete your branch automatically, so it doesn't need to be manual because you do not know whether someone could be using it or you do not know that even you might be using it. So for those reasons, if you keep them automatically, like for example, let's say if you're adding that branch, if you're merging that branch to main, automatically your branch will get deleted and your main will get the latest updates, right? So there is a way to do it, but before that, let me tell you why should you delete the branch after it is merged in GitHub. There are few reasons, few interesting and best practices that you should follow. The first thing is to reduce the clutter and to improve the readability. So when a feature or a bug fix branch is merged into the main branch, like main or master, its purpose is fulfilled. There is nothing more to do with that branch, right? So leaving the merged branches, like if you see here, I've got a lot of branches which are not yet, they're merged, but still I'm keeping it. I mean, like it's not deleted. So when you keep like this, when you leave the merged branches around the clutter, I mean, like it create the clutters, the list of branches, which makes it harder to identify any active development, especially in large projects with many contributors. And if you keep on deleting that, so what happens is you have a concise branch list which allows for easier navigation and for better understanding of the current state of the repository. And the next point is it will prevent for any confusion and potential mistakes. So if you have too many branches like this, so see here, I've got too many branches. I do not know which branch is doing what. I have to just go inside the code and I have to read it if I want to make any deletions manually, right? And the names will be similar, which can lead to a lot of confusions and mistakes when the developers are working on new features or bug fixes. And deleting the merged branches will ensure that everyone in your team is working on the most up-to-date code and it will avoid any accidental use of outdated branches. And then it will promote a clean and an understandable history. Just imagine you in your home. Uh, you'll be really feeling happy if your home is clean and neat without any clutters, right? The same way with your GitHub as well. So exactly this is what I'm trying to say. So while GitHub retains all the commit history, if you have a clean branch, that will help you in understanding the development flow and it will help you in tracing the origins of changes without any unnecessary distraction. So what happens if you have a clean history? It will simplify the code review. So if someone wants to do a code review and for any collaboration, it will ensure everyone is on the same page regarding the project's progression. And then comes the savings. So it's not about budget or cost savings, but it's about the disk space savings. So although the impact is minor, deleting the branches will no longer reference any commits, and that can actually free up the disk space by allowing the Git's garbage collector to eventually remove those unreachable objects. And in fact, you are doing a best practice because Git branches are designed to be a temporary workspaces. Yes, Git branches are temporary. They are not a permanent one. They are just temporary. So you have your temporary does not need to be alive for a long time. You don't need to keep on getting clutter, right? So deleting them after merging supports a streamlined workflow by removing the completed tasks and focus on ongoing work. And now I'll show you how to do that. So once you go to your repository, click on the code, and after that, go to the make sure that you are on the right repo, and then click on the settings. You have to move down a bit down, like you have to find this one. The after pull requests are merged, you can have head branches deleted automatically. Just look at that and check. So once you check that automatically, whenever you merge your feature branch, fix branch, any branches, they will be deleted once it is merged with the main because they are no more required, right? So with that, I come to the end of this video. And for more GitHub and Git related, for DevOps related topics, please do reach out to me. And you can have a lot of training videos in our channel. So please do reach out to me. We are dedicated mainly for DevOps as well. So please do watch all those DevOps related topics. And thank you so much for watching this video. Until I see you all in the next video, it's bye bye from Asan Shanmugam and your favorite Little Star YouTube channel. Take care and bye bye.